Is your bullshit radar going off? Seriously though, when you see people who are making $1,000 a day, $100,000 a month, making money online, are you thinking this can't even be real life? And I get it. I'm the daughter of the biggest skeptic I have ever met. That man could poke holes in anything. For me, when I was seeing these $1,000 a day, this $100,000 a month, it was the opposite reaction. Seeing those numbers didn't make me roll my eyes or want to poke holes in how it's happening. It fueled my fire. And I realized if I leaned into what I knew about mindset and manifestation, that it was just showing me what was also possible for myself. That those people weren't special. They were just a few steps ahead and I could have what they had too. Like I said in my last video, go watch it here. The only difference between you, yes, you, and somebody who is making these big numbers online is the fact that they got started already. And maybe my bullshit radar wasn't going off because I invested in online education early in my career and I saw the value that it could bring. But if you're feeling a little more like my dad right now, that radar is screaming at you. Let's stop with these vibes and crunch some numbers. Hey, I'm Alex. I've created and sold over 50 digital products. I believe that online rich is the way of the future and that creating online education platform is the best vehicle to get you there. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm giving you the first step to take today to start building your online wealth. So what sounds wild to you? A 50K month, a 20K month? Let's keep it in check. Let's keep it reasonable. Let's keep that bullshit radar from going off. Let's start with a 10K month and 20 for the year. So let's blow that number up. So let's say you create an online course and you're charging $497 per course. Let's round that to 500 to make it easy to calculate. If we divide 10,000 by 500, the answer is 20. But it's not just the answer. That's only 20 people who need to buy your digital product, your online course, to make $10,000 a month. Just think about that, 20 people. When I was microblading, when I had my microblading studio, I could see 20 people in just 2 weeks, 20 people who were willing to pay $500 to see me to get their eyebrows done. And that's just in my own city. And that's me having to be in the salon with clients for all of that time to make that money. And that's just in one city, in one area of a city. With online courses, you have access to, and I'm gonna say it, literally the entire world. And you aren't tied to hourly labor. So you really don't think that in the entire world, you can find 20 people a month to buy your life-changing online course. 10K is still feeling too big for you? Let's say 2K. You wanna make an extra $2,000 a month to pay your bills, to save for a vacation, to start investing. Let's say you decided to sell a smaller digital product and we're putting it at 150. Now, if we do that math, 2,000 divided by 150, that's only 14. That's only 14 people in the whole world who need to spend $150 on you in 1 month for you to make an extra $2,000 from your online course. Okay, but what about those crazy 50K months that you've seen people bragging about that are sending your bullshit radar skyrocketing? So if you're still selling that $500 digital product, that's only 100 people, once again, in the whole world that need to purchase your online course. Or let's say you have a digital product worth $1,000 and this is not that high ticket, okay? $1,000 for a digital course is not that wild of a thought. You only now need 50 people in the entire world to purchase your online course. Or if you think about a membership program, which is also a digital product, if you have 500 people in your membership program spending $100 a month, that is 50K right there every single month. Now, of course, you're not going to start at 500 members and you're going to lose some every month, but you're going to gain some, and this is going to build over time. And this is recurring revenue monthly. So are you starting to see how these numbers are possible? And the best part of it is that your expenses, your overhead, your costs stay small. My current operating costs for my online businesses to sell my online course are actually less than $250 every single month. When a new student joins my program, Online Rich Academy, which you can join, the link is in the comments, I have already tripled my costs for the month. Everything else becomes pure profit. And inside Online Rich, I also teach you how you can start and operate your first digital product for less than $25 a month. So is your radar starting to cool? Starting to see that this isn't bullshit, and best of all, that it is possible for you. Yes, you. What's possible for them, what's possible for me is also possible for you. And the fact that you're sitting here watching this video makes it even more possible. But where do you get started? How do you break into the industry? Step one is finding your $1 million idea. And yes, you do have one. If you don't believe me, go watch this video right here where I break it down for you. If you're now questioning whether you have a $1 million idea, I have the solution for you right here. A totally free cheat code to help you find your personalized $1 million idea to turn into an online education program. All you have to do is answer 5 questions honestly. Just drop millions in the comments and I will send you this free tool to get you started on your online rich journey today. And make sure you keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how you can become online rich. No bullshit, just the exact steps, the exact facts. See you in the next video.